Hello YouTube. Right, I've been a bit busy over the last few days. I wanted to make a ball end turner for the lathe, so I've been a bit busy. I machined the plate and a 1.5 inch block of round steel, and been a bit busy making this. I more or less copied some of the ones that were already on YouTube, so thanks to everybody that has given me ideas. And it'll do balls and concave depending on which way you want to do it. So, but anyway, I'm just about to give it a try, see if it works out. I'll put the thing to centre. I might have to put the camera down in a minute, and we'll see what we get. Just want to centre this up. Right, there we go. And you can adjust it in and out, of course, and everything. So right, I'll just put this down, and hopefully you can see what's going on. That's a bit of an awkward place, isn't it? Let's put it up there. There you go. It's not a fantastic shot, but you'll get the idea as long as the camera don't fall off the end. Right, we've got to come out on the adjustment. So we undo these 3 Allen bolts here. And we just slide this out so we can get it to any size we want, which is about there. Just move that in, and right, that's about perfect. Super. Hello. Right up in the middle there. What's right? We've got to right that side. We've got to get it a bit more. Oh, it's because that's off centre, isn't it? So we've got to get it between those two. Let's loosen this off again. Yep. There we go, between that one. Go in a bit. There we go. Spot on. Tighten them up now. Okay. I'll lock the carriage down, so it can't go side to side. Right. Perfect. Okay, here we go. I've tightened that bottom bolt up a little bit, so hello, we're moving. What's moving? Doesn't move then. Bolt's tight. Carriage is to move. Yeah, as I tighten that bottom bolt up, that's coming loose. Right, back in a second. Right, okay, I think we sorted it. I just had to tighten the bolt up on the bottom, it was coming loose. Because you can't tighten it up fully, otherwise the table won't turn. So I've put some Loctite in the thread, and hopefully it'll stay still now. So right, okay, we'll carry on, see where how we do. That there's a piece of that cast aluminium that I cast a few weeks ago, so I think there's an air pocket in there, a bit of a hole. Well, there you go. If I was doing a ball, I think I'd put the tool this side so that you've got and run the lathe backwards so that the handle's in a different place. But for that's brilliant. Oh, I'm pretty pleased with that. Oh yeah, there's a slight air pocket in there. But, there you go. I'll just show you the results. Not bad for a first attempt. Yeah, if you yeah, I'd put the tool on the opposite side, so that, and then run the lathe the other way, or I could make another hole for the handle in a different place, or over here maybe, or yeah. Anyway, I'm quite chuffed with that. Thanks for watching. See you later.